Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and your side mirrors do not work, guys, let's say you're trying to adjust them but they do not work. If one of them doesn't work or both of them do not work, stay with us, guys, and we're going to explain what can cause that now, guys. There actually three different things that can go wrong and we'll explain everything and you will know how to fix yours. Now, quick introduction, guys. We will have more than 200 videos on the Chevy Cruze, guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We hope that you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any tools or parts, guys, check out the link. We have it in the description of the video below, where you can get tools and parts from for a good price, fast shipping as well. So this is it, guys. Okay, I want to show you guys how that Chevy Cruze now. Okay, the power mirrors do not work, okay, like at all. So I want to explain what can cause that. Ignition switch is on. Okay, let me focus on the dash. Ignition switch is on. Now, right here, guys, this is the mirror switch. To the left now. Check it out. I'll try to move the mirror. Nothing. Up and down, right, left, nothing. I'll switch to the right side. Watch now. The other mirror doesn't move at all too. So what can cause that now, guys? Okay, if only one of them is not working, guys, I would recommend to check your connection. Or usually, guys, if a mirror goes bad, it may quit working, let's say left and right, but it will go up and down. In some cases, okay, if the positive wire or ground wire is broken, what can happen actually, it may cause the mirror not to work at all. But most of the times when they do go bad, they just cannot go let's say left or right or up and down, but they can go the other way. Now, if both of them do not work, now we have two different options. One is having a bad mirror switch, and we have the video on the channel how to replace one. Check it out, guys. It's not very complicated. It takes only a few minutes to do that. And the other option is to have a fuse, guys. You have a fuse for your power mirrors. And if that fuse is bad, they will not work. And we will show you now where to find that fuse and see if that will fix our problem now. So if you open your fuse box on your Chevy Cruze, guys, we have videos for every fuse in that fuse box, so you can see what fuses they're for. But if you check, guys, fuse number 55, this is 7.5 amp fuse. This is the fuse right here. Pull it, okay, inspect it. Ours is burned. I'll go ahead, replace it, guys, with a new one and see if that takes care of the problem. Now, it doesn't mean that there is no problem, and probably there is something that caused your fuse to burn, but once in a while it could be a motor that got stuck for a second and caused the fuse to burn. It could be from humidity or extreme heat that can cause that sometimes as well. So it really, guys, it really depends. But if it keeps blowing, most likely you have a bad, okay, one of the mirrors is bad, and usually it's the one that you try to adjust the most. Most of the times it will be the driver's side. So with that fuse being replaced, okay, oh, that was my camera. I'll go in, turn ignition on, and let's check it out now. See if that mirror is going to move. Down, perfect. Up, left, check it out, guys, right. And if I switch to the other side, okay, the other mirror is working too. You can see left and right, up and down, with no problem. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful and it will guide you in the right direction to fix your not working mirrors. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.